Welcome to this lesson on using and or to calculate choices and outcomes. By the time you finish this video, you should be able to understand how counting principles help us find the total number of possible outcomes efficiently, without listing every option one by one. You'll also learn when to multiply choices using and when to add choices using or, so you can apply the core counting rule correctly in different situations. Finally, you'll be able to apply counting principles confidently to solve real-life choice and combination problems using clear and logical working. Let's get started. Learning counting principles helps us count possibilities without listing everything. Counting principles tell us how many different outcomes are possible when we make choices. If one thing can be done in m ways and another in n ways, then together there are m times n ways. We use counting principles to spot patterns, count combinations, and solve real-life questions fast. This is the key. And means multiply, or means add. Always read the question carefully. Let's use a real example to see how this works. You can pause the video and try yourself. Emma has 6 necklaces, 3 bracelets, and 4 pairs of earrings. Emma wants to wear one item only. Let's solve the counting problem for necklace or bracelet or earrings. Or means add. So 6 plus 3 plus 4 gives 13 choices. Let's try this another example. You can pause the video and try yourself. Now, Emma wants earrings along with either a necklace or a bracelet. We're going to solve the counting problem for earrings and necklace or bracelet. We split this into 2 cases and deal with them one at a time. And means multiply, so we multiply first each cases. Then or means add, so we add the 2 results, and that gives 36 possible choices. So Emma has 36 different ways to choose earrings and either a necklace or a bracelet. That's it. Always slow down and spot and or. That tells you exactly what to do.